Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a seeded artisan bread, perfect for fall. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Today we're going to need flour, yeast, salt, sesame seeds, flax seeds, whole hemp seeds, sunflower kernels, and water. Start by mixing all of your dry ingredients in a large bowl and whisk to combine well. Then add your water and combine to form a shaggy dough. Cover and let rise at room temperature for 12 to 14 hours. I like to let mine rise overnight. After 12 to 14 hours, uncover and stretch and fold 2 to 4 times. Cover and let rest for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven and pot at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your pot is preheated, generously flour the bottom of the pot and carefully plop your dough into the pot. Cover and bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Uncover and bake for an additional 5 to 15 minutes until your desired crust color has been achieved. I hope you enjoy!